Alright, so I've changed the SSD in this computer, and I was fooling around trying to get 8 gigabytes of memory in this thing. I only have one 8 gigabyte stick. Didn't work, wouldn't boot, so I'm taking this out. Gonna put the two gig sticks back in this thing here with one hand, of course, because I have the camera going. Let's get the light over here. There's my light. Okay, that's going in there pretty good. Let's put it down easy. Okay, that 2 gig sticks in. And where's the other one? This one is $8 gig, I suppose. Okay, here's the other 2 gig stick. 2 gigabytes matches a 1 in there. So you want memories to match. I mean, you don't want to ever have unmatched memories in these things. Memory DIMMS, make sure it's seated. Click it in. There we go. Now for the third time on this, we'll put the back on with a couple of screws here. I'm just gonna flip it over now. See if it works. Okay, don't put it up. All right, it's the third time the charmer hit the power button. Let's see what she does. Got the new SSD in here. That's a good sign. I want to see an Apple come up here. And I don't think we're going to get it. No bueno. It's not going to boot with the SSD. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.